Hello, hello. We are currently en route to the beach via the creek. The tide should be low, so I'm hoping to do a bit of like rock pooling or beachcombing while we're there. I have just checked online, it should be low tide, but it might not be. But if not, we'll just enjoy a nice walk to the beach in the countryside. Here we have some horse friends. Say hi! So I've currently got this Tenzing natural plant-based energy drink. So it was sold as like high caffeine energy drink, so it's gonna absolutely send me off, but it says it's plant-based, triple hit of natural caffeine, vitamin C and electrolytes. Across this gate, and it's got green coffee, green tea, British blackberries, acerola, acai berries, Himalayan rock salt and corn. It's quite a good brand as well because it's like vegan, non-GMO. It's also Rainforest Alliance certified, and they're part of the 5% to Profits to Nature. So all around pretty good. It says energy good for the mind, body and planet, so we'll have to see if it actually tastes good, because that's the main part. Gonna be honest, not a fan. I have just brushed my teeth in, so that might be it, but the flavour isn't great. I'm not gonna lie. It is very windy. We are currently at the creek. As you can see, low tide, very muddy. It's very smelly as well, actually. Oh. So we might see some cool stuff, but we might just get really muddy and gross instead. But hey. Very muddy and gross, so I don't think I want to get any closer in these shoes. But I don't know that I can really see anything here anyway. It's getting a bit sludgy. Stick to the beach because this place gets really gross when it's low tide. It's just very muddy and sludgy and gross. I'm pretty sure I've got mud all over me. And I was there for like 2 seconds. We have made it to the beach. It is very smelly around here. It's very gross. But hoping maybe to find some cool stuff. I don't know if I've been beachcombing before, but I think the general is just basically just looking around the beach for cool stuff. I think some people do it to like find antiques or things like that, but I'm not really interested in that. I'm just here to see if I can find some cool beachy stuff. Although I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Found this little pool thing. Can't see any like life in it. Oh! Like there's some sort of activity been going on here. Cool little patterns. Goes on for a bit as well. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there are some tiny fish in this one, swimming around. On this stone, some little invertebrates, like sometimes you can come up and like turn over the stones, and there's like life underneath there. Not always. Oh! I don't know if I'm being highly successful with the filming here, but there are tiny like fish in these little bits. But they're quite fast and very, very small, so I don't think I can get one to film with these. I do very much like this. Look at that. Look at all the... Oh. Found a couple of cool shells. And that. Oh, can I focus? I do like this. It's very smooth as well. Well, not this side, but this side is. So despite living on the coast, it appears I'm not well versed in coastal life. Look at this jellyfish. It's not in the water. Like, look how far out the sea is. Ooh, a couple more jellyfish over here. These ones are quite small. Got a few bird markings. Could have been from an oyster catcher, because we do get oyster catchers around here, but otherwise I have no idea. And some more of these things. Another one here. It's also very, very smelly. It's kind of gross. Oh my god, I just lost my... I need to grab it, but I can't hop over. What if I lose the other one? I'm stood on one leg. Oh gosh. Has seen better days. I don't know how to get back from here. Look at my shoes. I just tried to walk through there. It did not go well. Had to climb up this here onto the bank, and now I'm just walking through this way. Oh. I think that my shoes aren't going to be ruined forever, but then again, if they are, they're just shoes really, aren't they? I'm having a fun time, that's all that matters. I'm just trying to navigate around this tree. So that was my beach day, beachcombing experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do enjoy these videos, you can subscribe for more in the future, or check out other videos on my channel. Thanks!